All right, next up are the Achievement Awards for Mrs. Bishop's class. Most Improved Reader, Logan Dialula. Expert Musician, Layla Mast. We'll clap for her. Sunshine Award for always spreading joy and happiness, Chloe Kepsel. Perseverance Award for never giving up, Isabella Lana. The Golden Pen for beautiful penmanship, Yana Miller. The Listening Leader Award to Micah Rosenyoll. Growth Mindset Guru, Sophia Grace. Sorry, we switched up classes on you guys, and we didn't say these are all from Mrs. Shelton's class. The Hardworking Hero, Dominic Henry. Perseverance Pro, Hope Case.